Can anybody tell me about the volume? What is volume? For example, this is the candle. That is the volume of this candle. So this volume represents the number of traders, or it represents the purchase of buyer and seller. What it represents?
Number of traders or the purchase of buyers and sellers.
There are 2 points, right? Number 1 point is this one. Number 2 is this one. Only one is correct. Which is correct?
I think number 2, sir.
Number 2, purchase of buyer and seller. Even 1 million traders, they purchase, but the quantity will be count which is purchased, right? Not,
Yeah.
it is dependent upon the number of traders. So how much they are purchasing or selling, that quantity will be counted of this single candle. Now this candle can be 1 minute, can be 5 minutes, can be H1, can be any time frame, right?
Right.
Okay. So this is not, don't count the number of traders. Now the another question. When we are buying in a binary option, is it affecting on the candles or not? Our volume, our trading, is it affecting on the volume bars or not?
No.
No, sir. It's
No,
for
very good.
Forex.
Because what we are doing, there is no any effect on the Forex market. What the Forex market is doing, that can be effect on the market. Okay. So we are just copying the data from the Forex market and following the rules of the Forex market in a binary option. But binary option trading, binary option volume, binary option money does not belongs to this purchase. So who paying us? In a binary option, brokers are paying us. Okay. So for example, in IQ option we are trading, if we are losing, the money goes to the IQ option. If we are winning, the money comes from the IQ option. But there is no effect on the Forex market. Okay. So now, to understand which volume will be correct for the candles, which volume will be not correct for the candles, we are going to learn some rules. Which are these rules? Effort-based result. Effort is what? The effort is a volume and result is your candle. Effort is a volume bar of this candle. We will count the size of the candle, the size of the volume bar. If the candle size and volume size is matching to each other, then it will be the correct movement, correct? Movement. If both they are not matching to each other, that will be wrong movement. In a volume, if it's a correct movement, it will be called the validate. If it's a wrong movement, it will be called the anomaly. So we are going to understand this concept. Effort is what? It's your volume. The result is what? It's your candle. Now, what the effort we are paying, if effort result is equal, it is correct. It is validate. If the result is not equal to the effort, means there is something wrong, which is anomaly. So now, if we understand in a deep this concept, then you can understand these examples. Small candle have a small volume, the big candle have a big volume. Is it correct?
Yes.
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 If the small candle have a big volume and the big candle have a small volume, is it correct?
No.
No.
No. So we have two readings. Small candle, small volume, big candle, big volume. Small candle, if you have a big volume, then it will be not correct. It is a wrong. Wrong means it's an anomaly. Wrong means it's a
Anomaly.
anomaly. If it's correct as per the size, it is your
Validation.
validation. Now, when we are comparing the things, anything if we want to compare, is it possible? Can we compare anything with a single item? A single item itself, can we compare? No. We need to compare the two candles together, right?
Yes.
So if we want to compare the volume of the two candles, then we will get the validation and anomaly correct also.
भाजा इनी दी आइंदा तो नेटवर्क क्लास चलছে তো नेटवर्क like that.
Okay, so look at here. A small candle and then big candle. A small candle have a small volume and the big candle have a big volume. When the price is moving up, the volume is increasing. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If the small candle have a small volume, a big volume, and the big candle have a small volume, is it correct?
No,
No.
sir.
No. When it is not correct, means it will be reverse. It will be reverse. When it is correct, it will continue. For example, a group of candles. It's looking there's a momentum, right? It's increasing. The two examples I will show you. When the price is moving up, volume is moving down. When the price is moving up, volume is moving up. Which movement is correct?
Right one.
Number one, number two.
Second one.
Two.
Number two.
Number two. For example, we are coming from the downtrend, right?
Yes, sir.
There is a, after downtrend, there is a correction from the buyer side, right?
Yes.
Bias is increasing in a size, decreasing in a volume. So this movement is not correct from the buyer side. But as we saw, the seller's movement can be correct. A seller's movement also, it's not correct. For example, this is the seller's movement. Seller's movement at the last two candles are not correct, right?
Yes.
That's why there is a reversal. And now these three candles don't have a correct movement, Because when price is moving up, volume is decreasing. Means there is no demand. There is
No demand.
no demand. Then what you are expecting from this resistance
Reverse.
level, if any?
Reversal.
Reversal. Okay. The candle closed on the support, and we saw the first cantilever, this volume, the second cantilever, small volume, the third candle volume is bigger than all. So this movement of the volume on these three red candles, is it correct?
No.
As per the
No.
size?
No.
No. Means this support will work. The support will work. Then you will see the bias movement. Now, these two candles have a correct volume, and the third candle volume is decreasing. So, where is the fault? The fault is at the last movement, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And the last movement have a breakout.
Yes.
Yes.
So, your strong resistance breakout with a fake volume movement, is it confirmed 100% the market will reverse back?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So market will reverse back. Because in these two candles, there is an anomaly. In these two
Last two
candles,
candles.
there is a
Anomaly.
anomaly. And these two candles have an anomaly. This anomaly is confirming your strong resistance breakout. A strong resistance breakout is reversal is showing, and another confirmation from the volume, because the volume is not correct, so it can be reversal sign. Okay. Now on the chart, first we will understand in the chart, and then we will check some more concepts.
And this is with using a indicator, correct?
Yes, the
Okay.
volume indicator we will use.
Okay.
Recently there is a breakout, this one. If I check, is there any anomaly between these two candles?
Yes.
So your resistance breakout is confirmed 100%.
Yes, sir.
So now you can what you can do, you can
Reversal
trust for the reversal, right?
Yes.
So in the first strategy, to be a master, we need the volume. If these two candles have an anomaly, then sure it will be the reversal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
These two candles have a reversal. Why they have a reversal?
Anomaly.
Anomaly. Very good. These two candles have an anomaly.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If the anomaly and it close under the resistance, it will reverse back. So your resistance trading is filtered by the anomaly trade.
Yes.
Now, if you want to trade the resistance, strong resistance, and the another confirmation is what? If these two can have an anomaly, then this resistance will work for you and market will reverse back. So in a reversal, in a breakout, when it's happened, then read these two candles. After the breakout, if you have an anomaly, then sure it will reverse back. If your result is 70%, if you add the anomaly filter, your result will become a 90%. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
I have a task for you people. Where you find the anomaly, then check how many times it's reversing back. Is there is an anomaly
Yes, sir.
Yes.
and there is a reversal?
Yes.
Yes.
Is there is an anomaly?
Yes.
Yes.
Is there a reversal?
Yes.
Yes.
Reversal? 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 How many reversals you found within the 10 minutes?
Wow.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Now it's correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still there are some more. These two red candles have an anomaly. Right?
Yes, sir.
This more reversal. These two candles have an anomaly. Big red, small volume, small red, big volume. This is also your trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades with just an anomaly. Now, breakout concept plus anomaly concept, resistance concept, SNR concept with anomaly concept, if we use, you can understand how much we can
Different.
win. Right?
Yeah.
If you start from here, okay, one thing keep in mind, if there is an anomaly and there is no SNR, no breakout, your anomaly will not work. One thing keep in mind. Anomaly and SNR, when it will work, when it will break or when it will close under the resistance. See here, these two candles have an anomaly and this candle closes under the resistance. It's working?
Yes.
So, anomaly plus support and resistance, it will work for you. Okay. Sometimes you may fail. Sometimes you may fail. Now, how we can identify a correct setups? If there is an uptrend, if there is a uptrend, in an uptrend, buyer's candle, buyer's anomaly work 50%. If there is a downtrend, seller anomaly work 50%. But if it's an uptrend, in an uptrend, seller anomaly work 90%. In a downtrend, buyer anomaly will work 90%. Which anomaly you want to use?
Opposite.
Opposite, because in an uptrend, buyers are strong, so buyers can support to the other buyers. But these buyers can support these sellers. In an uptrend,
Just say again.
in an uptrend, buyers can support the sellers. I'm asking.
I'm not sure, sir.
I'm asking. In an uptrend, who supports the buyer?
The sellers.
No.
Sellers
Buyer.
are, sellers are enemy of the
Buyer.
buyers. Sellers are
Yes.
enemy of these buyers. Then how they can support him? Buyer support to
Yeah.
the buyer, right?
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
In a downtrend, seller support the seller, right?
Okay.
But in a downtrend, if buyer needs support, no one can support them. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
In an uptrend, if seller wants support, no one can support the seller. So understand the flow of the market. Means where the market flow, these parties to support each other. Okay. So first, what is your assignment? Assignment is that if the candle close on the support, If there is an anomaly, then it will work for you. Okay. If there is a resistance, if you found the anomaly on the resistance, it will work for you. One more thing I'm going to add here. This concept, how much it will work? 90. And this concept, if a big buyer, then a small buyer close on the support, even there is an anomaly, it will work 50-50. If the sellers are weak, seller are here, and there is an anomaly, it may work, but how much? 50. Why? This anomaly is a weak anomaly. And this anomaly is
It's a strong one.
because in a price action, who is the leader? The leader is the price action. Leader is the price action. So understand. In a price action, there is a concept. A big candle, then a small candle. It's a sign of continuation. Sign of continuation. A small candle, then a big candle, it's a sign of reversal. Possible reversal will be there. Mostly. But alone, without filters, this concept will not work. But if you see this candle, now if we add the filter, means it's a engulfing plus a continuation sign. A continuation sign will be smaller than the engulfing red candle, right? Then it will continue. But you don't need to do, we don't need to put a small candle and then a red candle. Here only a big candle and then the continuation sign, we can continue. It will work mostly. So this is the anomaly concept here. In everywhere, if you just to add anomaly, then you will get the answers. For example, it's working more in a ranging market and less working in a downtrend. Keep in mind. So we are not trading the validation. We are just trading the anomaly for the reversals. Okay. All these are anomalies. These are the anomaly concepts. Big candle,
So-
small candle, reversal. Big candle, small candle, reversal. Yes, Robin.
If two candles, one big or and second small,
Hmm.
and the volume is equal to each other, so this
Equal means still
anomaly-
it's an anomaly.
Oh yes. Thank
You can, because a small candle, it must have a small volume. Why it's equal to the big candle volume? If it's
Yes,
equal,
yes.
then it's an anomaly. Here, okay. Think in mind. In a ranging market, there is no trend. There is no trend. Means it's clear cut that the 3 to 4 candles move up, 3 to 4 candles move down, 3 to 4 candles move up, 3 to 4 candles move down. That is the concept of the ranging market. But in a trend market, more than 8 to 9 candles move up, 3 to 4 move down, 8 to 9 move up again. That will be the trend. So ranging market, so many reversals. Ranging market, anomaly will work for you so much as compared to the trading market. Now here you can see, if you are thinking, if you want to trade, as you say that, sir, this is an anomaly, can I trade? No, you cannot trade. You can not trade. Where you need to trade? When you see if there is a ranging market, or if there is a breakout, or if the candle is closing on the support. Only 3 reasons you can trade the anomaly. But alone, if you are trading the anomaly strategy, it's not profitable. The anomaly trading, you need to be placed with the price action strategy, PA and VSA. So which is the price action strategy? SNR, breakout, which strategy I teach you, right? And then anomaly. Combine these 2 things together. Then you have to trade SNR breakout or SNR candle closing on the SNR. So this will be your filter. Is there any question from this anomaly? If yes, then I can clear more.
Sir, what about the wicks?
We are
Can we
just
consider-
counting the bodies. Wick in the anomaly we are not counting. Okay. Wick
Okay.
we will count if the candle, the single candle we are reading. Then we will count the wick. But if we are counting the anomaly, anomaly does not require the wicks. So there we have another topic, when the candle close on the support with a longer wick and the volume is less than the previous bar, means who is not stronger? The buyers are not stronger because the lower wick is greater than the body. If the hammer have a big volume than the previous bar, means who is stronger? Buyers are stronger. The next one will be the green. In case the next one will be the red. So this is the another reading. This is the another reading. For example, the price is moving down. We have a longer wick here. A longer wick who makes a sellers strong, right? Upper wick. If
Yes.
you see the volume is increasing, this is not an anomaly. In case if the price is in a trend, anomaly means that if the candle small, big, if this is a anomaly, this is the effective anomaly. Because why? If we read this candle, now I'm going to read this candle with a different concepts. You will understand then. In a price action, what it mean? Engulfing have a continuation sign that DAX can continue, right?
Right.
So this decision in the favor of seller.
Sellers.
Volume is decreasing here and increasing here. When buyers enter, sellers control this market and price push down. When the buyer and sellers fight to each other, when exchange opportunities to each other, definitely there will be a volume. Then in the end, sellers control this volume, means who failed?
Buyer.
Buyers. So this volume is from the seller side, where the buyers failed. So this is also the second point from the volume analysis. It's in the favor of the seller. If in the favor of the sellers, then it's a minus point for the buyer, minus point for the buyer, plus point for the seller, plus point for the seller, right?
Right.
So we are reading a candle with a volume understanding. That is the another thing. But if we are just reading only the anomaly, means only we are taking small candle must not have a big volume. A big candle, if have a small volume, there is a weakness. There is a weakness. This is a reversal sign. And weakness is what? Anomaly is equal to weakness. Weakness is equal to reversal. So many traders, they are trading alone. Then it's not a profitable. See here, someone who decided If I want to be a master in an engulfing candle, only I will trade the engulfing. Is it possible that he will be the master of the engulfing?
No.
Because market structure is not based on only the engulfing.
Yes.
A one engulfing in an uptrend, a one engulfing in a downtrend, a one engulfing in a range, a one engulfing in a consolidation. Is each and every engulfing have a same result?
No.
But he will think only a one thinking. After engulfing, I will buy. This engulfing can give him a good signal, good win. This engulfing, no. Ranging engulfing can give him a signal. This consolidation engulfing not give him a win. So what will be the result? 50-50. And if someone thinking that it is very difficult for me to study each and every concept, together each and every concept and then trade, it's not for me. I cannot do it. Then he cannot be the good trader. Sometimes he will be lose. If it's someone who is avoiding, then only he can use the SNR breakout strategy, which is without filter. Also, it's a 65%. Which SNR breakout? SRB, strong resistance breakout, SSB. This also more than 65%. But if he is trading the patterns, he's thinking I must be a master of any one pattern, a one strategy. No, then it's not possible. Okay, so these things are very important. Now ask any question. If you have any confusion from the previous sessions, today's lessons I have finished here, and now I'm going to talk on your confusions. If you have queries, you can ask them. If not, then I will discuss something more.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, is there?
Yeah, Yusuf.
Yes, Yusuf.
I understood the anomaly, but what about the correct volume?
The correct volume.
How can we?
Yes, the correct volume strategy we will learn, but not now. Okay. So
Okay, thank you.
if the anomaly and validations together, I will share with you. When you will research in the market, when you will trade in the market, you will be confused. So something which is confused together, that's why I'm sharing one by one. Okay.
So,
Yes, brother. Any other?
yes, I have a question.
Yes, brother.
You said about small candle having bigger volume, and we are finding weakness anomaly in bigger candle, small volume. Is that correct?
If the last candle is a big one, that is a strong anomaly, right?
Yes.
This is very strong anomaly. If the first is a big one and the second is a small one, and they have an anomaly, it's a weak anomaly.
Okay.
This weak anomaly, maybe it will work, maybe it will not work.
Understood. Okay.
Why? In case if the big candle and the small candle have any continuation sign like this one, like this one, like this one, then it will not work for you, because we cannot against the concept. In a price action, what we understood?
It's a continuation.
The price action say continuation.
Yes.
Volume say reversal.
So 50-50.
We need to avoid. Now, one thing, your continuation sign is also filtered. If
Yes.
continuation sign and volume is equal, then you trade the continuation and leave the 50-50 concept, right?
Yes.
For
Understood.
example, this is a continuation sign and volume is also with you, right?
Yes.
then trade the continuation sign. But if there is a continuation sign and there is an anomaly, now don't trade this continuation sign. Maybe you will lose, maybe you will win. Don't use this anomaly. Maybe you will win, maybe you will lose. So two
Okay.
things are filtered here.
Yes.
Okay. And also this concept filtered, when the volume is correct, we will trade the continuation. When volume is not correct, we will not trade. See, this continuation sign volume is correct,
Yes.
we can trade, right?
Yes. Okay.
So where this continuation sign volume is not correct, right?
This one is increasing. Yeah, last one is increasing.
So there is some chances maybe it will lose, maybe we will win. If the answer comes with a maybe, then we will ignore, because there are so much opportunities. Why is it necessary we can trade each and every? No. But
Okay.
when you find a continuation complete, then you can trade with the correct concept. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Any other member?
Hello, sir.
Yes, brother. Yes,
Sir, if red candle, then after reversal happen, and their anomaly also happen, then this only work. This will work in ranging good or downtrend.
In a ranging, it will work more. In a downtrend or uptrend, still it will work. But if it is appear in a downtrend or in an uptrend, we will check back the support and resistance and its breakout together.
Okay.
Means in a downtrend, if you want to trade anomaly, what you need to require? A confirmation from the support and resistance.
Okay.
Then you can trade in a downtrend or in an uptrend.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Alicia, are you confusing?
No, I understand it, sir.
Okay, perfect. And okay, so all members are agree with this anomaly, and they know there is no confusion. After maybe tomorrow, maybe there will be confusion when you will review. Okay, we will clear it also. And then tomorrow our topic is which one?
Sir, sir,
Mhm.
I have a doubt in the strong and weak SNR actually. Can I draw here to?
Yes, you can draw. You have a still doubt because some days before you asked the same question, right?
Yes.
Yes, I remember.
I am drawing, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this green candle is a weak candle.
Yes.
So this SNR will be weak SNR.
Very good. Yes, it will be weak SNR.
And I am drawing now, sir. This SNR, sir.
It will be strong.
Strong.
Yes.
And this also strong.
Yes, it will be a strong. Only two candles makes a weak SNR. This one.
This weak.
And this one, right?
Yes, yes.
Only
This was only my. Yes.
Yes, this is also a strong one. Because this, if it have a weak, it's a weak. If it's a wick at the bottom, it's a strong. If the wick have both sides, it's a weak. Yes. Clear now?
If there is no wick, then
Then
that will be strong.
Yes, because it's a bullish candle. Bullish candle also is a strong.
But small body, but sir, it has
The
small
body don't have a matter. This candle is a Marubozu candle, for example.
okay.
So Marubozu candle, if it's a weak small candle, then this candle, it does not mean this is a weak candle. It's a strong.
Okay.
If it's a small wick, it's a bullish candle. But if it's have a upper wick, then it's a weak. If have a both wick, it's a neutral.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, clear, sir.
Now clear? No problem.
Thank
If you
you.
when you draw on the chart and show me the examples when you are drawing and you are giving the answer that it's a strong, it's a weak, it's a strong, it's a weak. Draw on the chart and then send me that picture. I will correct it. If there will be any changing, then I will do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's meet tomorrow. And tomorrow our topic is validation, how we use the validation and how we understand the supply and demand, how to draw the supply and demand, how to trade the supply and demand when the supply and demand is applicable. It's a big topic. Inshallah, tomorrow we will cover the supply and demand. Okay, be ready then.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.